Welcome back to Studio 5. Longer days, hotter days. It's a good time to up your summer drink game. Rachelle Nielson has 3 refreshing recipes to keep us cool. It's great to see you.
Yeah, thank you.
And I understand all of these summer sippers are starting with the same soda base.
Yeah, so they all have Sprite, which is like really cool and refreshing drink for summer.
Yes.
With lemon lime, so they all have that in them as the base.
The citrus and the crispness of this.
Yes.
Also, my kids love when it's not mommy's drink that has caffeine.
Exactly. They can have that. Yeah, kids can have all of these easy, no caffeine.
Nice. All right,
Yes.
First drink on your menu. It's a copycat Arctic Circle Lime Ricky, a classic.
Yeah, so I grew up getting Lime Rickies, Arctic Circle every single time. So now you can make them at home, and it's really cheap and affordable too.
Okay.
So first off, so this is the grape syrup. So you just have a cup of water in this.
Oh, you're making your own syrup.
Yeah, and it's so much cheaper.
Great.
And the fun thing is you can do any flavor if you actually want to use it as snow cone syrup. Oh. And so this is a fun thing to do.
I'm so glad you're here. This is fun, all right?
Yeah, so just a cup of water, and then it's 2 cups of sugar.
We're just going to turn a blind
so
eye.
definitely.
when we do that.
You don't have to use the whole thing. So all you do is you just whisk that, and then you would just bring it to boil and boil it just for 1 minute.
So just making a simple syrup.
Yeah, so it will dissolve the sugar, and then it will just, it'll just be a little bit thicker consistency. And then just your standard KoolAid packet.
There it is.
And that's all it is. And then they have all these other flavors that you could do. And so I will just dump that in.
So you can really peruse the KoolAid aisle.
Yeah.
Is there still a KoolAid aisle?
There is. I actually was a little nervous it wasn't going to be there, and I was like, uh-oh. This was actually a 4-pack for like $1.
Oh, look at that.
So
any
super
flavor,
cheap.
you can take that same 1 to 2 part sugar-water ratio
and then add the drink mix. And it smells so good. It smells just like the grape. So, and then that would just need to cool completely, obviously, so you don't like heat up your cool drink.
Yeah.
So as you can see, it makes a ton. So this will last you all summer. You can do it in this drink or like snow cones or whatever you would like.
Sorry, can we talk about this?
So this is the Ergo Spell. It's a local company, and I know the person, so she's awesome. And so yeah, this is just a cool like salad dressing.
It fits on a mason jar?
Yes.
How do I not have one of these?
I know. I was like, you'll need to have her on here. She's so awesome.
Oh my goodness.
So yes, this is a really cool product. So do you want to add?
Yeah, I do.
So just have the Sprite already. So just as much as you would want, like a couple tablespoons. If you want it really grape flavored.
Is that good?
You would do a little bit, yeah.
Look at that fizz.
Yeah, I know. It's kind of, I was saying, it's a science experiment. We had an overflow earlier. So
the color is part of the charm, right?
Yeah, and so then just like you can squeeze a lime in it and drop it in.
Look at that.
Yeah. And
Fun
so you
to
can
make.
smell just the lime. So it just has the fresh lime and then the grape, and that's it.
You got these at Arctic Circle growing up. I'm from up north, and I got these at a place called Warren's.
So yes, and we have a Dillon's in Kaysville.
Oh yeah,
it's the same thing.
Okay.
So they have one as well. So,
lovely.
Yeah. Okay, so then we'll move on to the strawberry one.
What is this?
So strawberry, mint, and lime cooler. So
yum.
I know.
I just did a little, like that sounds so refreshing.
So we'll just start, if you want to just drop these strawberries. So you would need like 3 cups of strawberries. They actually don't need to be sliced.
In the blender?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then it would be 1/4 cup of the sugar.
A little less than our Lime Ricky experiment.
Not as bad. And then I'll add this on so you don't have to
Sure.
worry. Literally just a couple of pulses, and then it is. So like normally it would be a little bit smoother.
Okay.
But we'll just go all the way. Okay, so that's it. And then you have your puree, and so we'll take this pitcher, and we'll see if this will pour in or if it's going to be funny.
I was telling Rachelle, I drink my calories proudly, so I am like all focused and all in on this.
Hey, this has fresh fruit. So
right, I'm getting a serving of fruit. It's all good.
Yeah, so we'll just easy like that. And so then we will take, so if you're going to serve it right away, then you're fine adding all the garnishes like the mint and the strawberries, but if not, wait so they don't get mushy and gross.
Okay.
So then, do you want to add this?
Is this the Sprite? Okay.
Yeah, it's about 3 cups of Sprite.
This would be a great party drink, right? For a shower or...
Yeah, so you can serve it just like this, but it's also fun to just do. So then there's strawberries, so just do a couple handfuls of strawberries.
You bet. Oh, here we go, handfuls.
As much as you want.
I guess you could garnish every individual cup too if you wanted to get super fancy.
Yeah, so if you wanted to wait. And then also all these just would add ice as well, but we don't have to add them.
And mint?
Yep, so just a couple of those.
Look how pretty, these drinks are pretty too. There's something about it. We don't just eat with our eyes, we sometimes drink with our eyes.
And they're very, very fragrant too, which is
I smell it. I smell it.
Yeah, so this one doesn't have the lime in it, but it has the lime from the Sprite, so you don't have to worry about.
Okay,
I think
can I try? Can I pour?
Yes, if you want to pour it in, that's good.
Look at this. I want to sip it actually, if you don't mind.
Yeah, go for it.
I'm inviting myself to my own table. Here we go.
So good.
That's lovely. That is so refreshing and light. I feel like I'm eating almost like a mild sorbet.
Yeah.
Super
so
yummy.
Fun. Yeah.
All right, a minute left. Show us your third and final. What's this
is
one?
Quick too. So we're gonna have the Mojito. So I'll just drop in a couple of limes for you.
Steal this back over here and sip as you make.
So, and then the mint, and all you do, so this is a muddler. Most people are not gonna have this. You can just do a handle of a wooden spoon.
Yeah.
And do this. Do you wanna just hurry and, so you crush the juices.
You bet.
And then you're kind of releasing the mint flavor as well. So
right.
just kind of a fun. Let me grab this Sprite from you, and
okay.
that's all it is, and then I will just, so I had this on vacation a few years ago, and I just love, sometimes I use club soda in simple syrup, but the Sprite's just sweeter and
like you said, that
flavor.
That extra citrus hit is going to be.
Yes, so that is everything for that. So those are the three, and it's just super easy and fun for summer, and got a great flavor.
Yeah, I love that too. So
the
refreshing.
Mint is so fun. Yeah.
All right, 3 recipes using your basic grocery store bottle of Sprite. Pretty to look at, delicious to drink, perfect for your summer sips or any summer parties that you have coming up. Rachelle, where can we find more of your recipes and ideas?
So my blog is cinnamonandcoconut.com, and Instagram is @cinnamonandcoconut.
Cinnamon and coconut. You ready for a summer with your 3 boys?
Yes. Yeah. I'm going to have all of this for them.
You're fueled. You're ready to go.
Yeah.
Thanks for sharing. We appreciate it.
Thank you.